Hey guys, it's Arthur here.
And David, DNA Realty Group, coming to you live.
So we want to tell you about this awesome event. You're probably going to see some pictures sprinkled below. We just had an event, and we did it at the Yard House in Linfield. It was absolutely amazing.
So much fun. We had such an amazing time. Thanks to everybody that came out.
And our goal is, we're just so grateful. Our goal is to be able to give back more to our clients. Every month this year, our goal is to do a giveaway and do an event to the people that help us grow our business.
Really appreciate you guys, and it's super fun for us to be at this point in our business where we can actually do these things. We want to do more of it.
So you must be wondering, like, how do I get into the community, become part of the DNA family, so I can participate in some of these Celtics games, bowling nights, drinks and apps, all that good stuff.
Sledding, skiing, we're going to do all kinds of stuff.
So how do they do that?
You can just send us an email to info@dna-realty.com. Or
you can refer us a client. That's a super easy way. Everybody knows somebody looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. You could call us up because you're looking to buy a house or sell a house, and you'll automatically be entered into our database.
And then you're going to have a whole bunch of fun, and your life's just going to get magically better. So
so we want to appreciate everybody that supports us and helps us grow our business, and we hope to give back a lot more.